Guess who's speaking again? It is the Turban of Truth. Are you ready? So one of the biggest things that is going to move the needle for you, move you forward in your life, in your business, is conviction. Conviction with yourself. Conviction with your word. How many things do you say you are going to do for yourself or for others that you actually follow through on? When you follow this conviction with yourself, and what is super powerful is if this conviction has come from a message that you have got from your body truth, then when you follow through on that message, when you follow through on that conviction, you build self-trust with your body. You build trust with yourself. And building trust with self is so important, because as you're building trust with self, you're building trust with your heart, you're building trust with your soul. So you start to align every area of your life, of your business, to your soul and to what you are actually here to do and what you came to do on this planet. Now, this conviction does take some deconditioning work, because I'm going to be really honest with you. The things that you say, well, my body says this, but I can't do this because of this thing, because of this person, because of this situation, all those things are just distractions. And what I have learned on my journey is if you say no to those distractions, obviously, if you have a child to care for, this is a different scenario, but that is the only thing you really have to do. If you can say no to those distractions, which takes deconditioning and takes rewiring, takes some somatic work and some nervous system work to actually encode and embed that as safe to follow your body truth. When you do that and those distractions fall away, everything just becomes easier. You start to receive money, you start to align with your tribe, you find your tribe of people, you find your soulmate, you connect, you end up in the relationship that you're supposed to be in, and you basically end up on your soul's path, which is what you were here to do. So by having conviction to your word and having conviction and following through on what your body is telling you, it's not just having the awareness, the mindfulness, it's then what do we do with that? And this was a big part of my mindfulness training. What do we do with that mindfulness to have that conviction?